Welcome, children. Today I am extremely happy to start the alphabets using whatever strokes I have taught you already. So, I hope you remember the first stroke, that is the slanting stroke, bend it down. With this stroke, I said we are going to make 6 alphabets. So, the first one is slanting stroke, bend it down, back, 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 and up. Can you see? I'll make it clear. Just adjust the notebook. See? For more brightness. Slanting stroke. Touch the line, bend it down, back on the same line and up. I say 3 backs because, see here? See, after doing the bend it down, don't turn it from here itself and come down straight. You have to go back, 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 touch the line and come up slanting so that you get a small triangle over here. Okay, so I'll just do it. Keep seeing. Guess it's clear now. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, 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 and up. Say and write. Slanting stroke, bend down, back, 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 and up. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, 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 and up. You have to come back further down till you get a small tiny triangle over here. So you would have wondered for what we are going to use this slanting stroke bend it down for. So now you know the alphabet, first alphabet which uses slanting stroke, bend it down, back, back, back and up is C. So don't think that you're going to make C. If you remember that the alphabet is C, then you won't stick on to the strokes. So just say slanting stroke. Only after it's complete, make the bend it down. Then come down, back, 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 touch it and come up. Got it? Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, back, back and up. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, back, back and up. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, back, back and up. I say 3 backs because, see, once again I'll explain. Touch the line, back, 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 touch the line, come up. Okay. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, 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 touch the line, come up so that you get a beautiful small triangle over here. We'll go to the next line. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, back, back and up. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, back, back and up. In cursive writing, almost all the alphabets have this small triangle here. And the alphabets are mild slanting. They are not too inclined, but there is a mild slant in all your cursive writing alphabets. They are never straight and fat. They are always thin and slanting. So slanting stroke, bend it down, back, back, back and up. Bend it down. Keep practicing today. Just this alphabet alone. Let me not rush up with all the alphabets. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, back, back and up. Say and write so that it gets into your mind and it will always be there. Back, back, back and up. Got it? Sorry. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, back, back and up. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, back, back and up. So parents and teachers keep insisting the children to form a tiny triangle over here so that the alphabet is perfect. So learn the perfect way of writing cursive in some schools, in some classes. They teach cursive, but they are not proper cursive alphabets, I've seen. So in this module, I am teaching you the right way to do the alphabet. So slanting stroke, bend it down, back, back, back and up gives you a C. Slanting stroke, bend it down, back, back, back and up, back, back, back and up. The last line. Can you guess what the next alphabet will be? I leave it to you. Just do this. Back, back, back and up. Slanting stroke. Bend it down. Back, back, back and up. The ending should also be having a mild, small slanting stroke. So in cursive writing, you have to think of, there are two rules. You have to start with a slant and the ending should look up. Okay. Don't do like, you don't start with your curve, starting with a curve, then your ending is abruptly left like this. It should not be like this. Everything should be perfectly done from the beginning till the end. So start with a slanting stroke and the ending should also look up. Remember these two important rules in cursive writing. Okay, today it's over. Thank you so much for attending the classes.